Hello guys, today we'll be seeing a very interesting topic. It's how to play a game, Scribble.io. Search on Google tab sorry, sorry, Scribble.io. Yes, and this first one. Let's click play. We have to wait for the advertisement. Yes, it's loading and we are loaded into a game. Yes, he's drawing something. Creates. I don't know. Pancake. He did not draw it very good. And let's see how to answer a question. Right. This is the. He's drawing a potato. What's that? Peaceful. Mm, he left. Now he erased. Sig. Sign of con. It's Mercedes. Oh, I didn't just say that. I just saw its piece. So that's how you have to type your guest here. It's a four-letter word. I don't know what he's drawing. Tire. Yes. Yes, you have to type your word here. And let's see who gets most points. Yeah, we are in fourth place. Great. We have to click vote kick if they are misbehaving. I think it's a big word. Wow. Get third. And we are third place. I don't know what this. Bottom this campsite. Turned. I don't know. I think Eiffel Tower. Let's copy it. We are not supposed to see from Google, but I don't know the spelling. Not the spelling, but it is a difficult word. We got 2.5. Let's see. Okay, this Paulin choosing word. Yes. What's happening? He's not. And it's our one. Let's see. We have to draw and make it under the man understand. You can give clues. Yes. Make them understand. Okay, so this is the game, guys. So hope we enjoy this again.